Something going on. Jeez. What is going on, guys? Man. It's been a long day. Anyway, I have got a couple packages from my buddy Chris, cardcollector102579. He is back making videos on YouTube, and he has been doing these $20 mystery packs, and I've always enjoyed getting into his mystery packs, and he's always got some really nice stuff. I have two packages here. One of them he said was a hookup, or like a present, and the other one should be some mystery packs. I do have a bunch more mystery packs. I bought several from him over the last few days, and he let those pile up, and so I have a box of cards that's coming. So anyway, I'm going to open these. I don't know, Chris, I don't know which one is like the hookup or which one's the mystery packs. They're both hefty, as you can see. So I'm just going to tear into one, and I guess I'll find out which one it is. Oh yeah. Here we go, here. Alright. We've got a stack of cards. They're all kind of jumbled up in there. The first one, I don't think was in my mystery pack. The first one is a Carlos Santana autograph rookie from Topps Chrome, blue refractor out of 199. So this must be the hookup pack here, because I don't remember getting that. The next one, dang, this is nice. Real nice. I'm actually going to take it out of this case so you guys can see it. Maybe I can get it out here. There we go. This is from Absolute, 2008 Absolute, numbered out of 10. 3 of 10. Nasty patch of Antonio Gates. 3 of 10. Tools of the trade. Really nice. Okay, that's super nice. Next one, from the new limited, 2014 limited. Hadn't seen any of these cards yet. This is limited partnerships dual relic, jersey and jersey out of 99, Teddy Bridgewater and Christian Ponder. 99. Nice. Next one. Ooh, this is cool. From Topps. Oh, this is a tribute. This is a product that I really like. I can't believe I forgot it. Man, I'm tired, man. Numbered out of 24, Johnny Padres autograph. Really cool. Number out of 24. Next, from Gypsy Queen. I know these are hard to come by. Relic autograph. Wylan Rosario. Yeah, numbered out of 25. Really nice on-card auto there. Wylan Rosario. Next, out of 75, from Topps Finest, jersey autograph, Tom Savage. Tom Savage. Next is from Leaf Trinity. That's what it is. Leaf Trinity. Inscription autograph. It says, "Thanks for the support, T-Boone." Joseph Randall, numbered out of 5. 1 of 5. Thanks for the support, T-Boone. That's pretty sweet. Oh, this is really nice. From Triple Threads, Legends, out of 36, 13-time champ, Yogi Berra. That's really nice. Yogi. From Topps Chrome, rookie autograph, Zach Britton. Next, from Bowman Chrome, green refractor auto of Preston Tucker, numbered out of 75. Green refractor. Preston Tucker. Out of 75. And, ooh, last card is a doozy. I'm also going to take this one out. From Panini Black, numbered out of 8. I knew it was going to be low numbered. NFL Equipment, Dwayne Bowe, Reebok tag. Dwayne Bowe. Skittles, taste Dwayne Bowe. Numbered out of 8. 3 of 8. So, really nice one there. I mean, just a stack of niceness. And guys, that wasn't even the mystery packs that I bought. This is still another pack. I'll have to get into that. I got several packs. It's hard to remember which one this is. I'll just kind of show you as they come out in no order. Jumbo jersey from Museum, numbered out of 50, Geno Smith. From Topps Tribute, out of 99, Tribute Traditions Chris Sale auto. From Topps Chrome, Camo Refractor out of 99, Ryan Nassib, or Nassib. I have no idea how to say his name. Ryan Nassib. Oh, this one's really nice. I'm going to take this out. Numbered out of 25 from Tier 1, Triple Relic, Clayton Kershaw. Out of 25. That's nice. A really nice patch from Topps Tribute, World Baseball, numbered out of 50, Hanley Ramirez. Looks like a nameplate patch. Next, from Topps Heritage, short print, high number short print, Derek Jeter. It's nice. Next one, really nice patch in this. I'll take it out so you can see it. From 2010 limited, Marty Gilliard, numbered out of 199. Marty Gilliard, 199 patch auto. Another insane patch, numbered out of 50, from Museum Collection. Gio Gonzalez. Look at that patch in there. It's nice. Next, also from Tribute, out of 99, Will Myers. auto or just scribble. Not much of an autograph, but still a nice card. A triple relic from SPX. 2014 SPX. Teddy Bridgewater, Johnny Manziel, and Blake Bortles. Triple relic. An Austin Meadows, Bowman Sterling autograph. And the last card here is from Topps Tribute. Tribute to the Pastime at a 99, Steve Carlton autograph. So amazing, amazing stuff. Chris, thank you so much, man. Guys, if you want some mystery packs, I don't really remember what all sports he has, but football, baseball, he's always putting together mystery packs. So if that's something you guys are into, definitely hit him up. And yeah, some solid stuff. And from good products, Tribute, Museum, Tier 1. So really, really appreciate that, Chris. You know that I really, really appreciate you and all the things that you've done for me. So go check him out, guys. Cardcollector102579. And if you're interested in mystery packs, excellent deal. So welcome back to YouTube, Chris. Glad you're back. And take it easy. We'll see you guys. Peace.